cut this like this. That gives the bevels, and it'll give a nice little protrusion on the bevels. Ooh, kinky. Then we cut along here. And then we'll fashion them together with some little shackles and stuff. You'll know, because you'll see them. The golden ratio nose. This middle bit is going to be the same as this middle bit for when I join it, but this is all going to be gone. Now I need to make the straps so I can bolt the heads together. Ooh, heads. Or whatever. I want to chamfer these, because obviously if these are just on the side of the blade, it's going to be a bit, you know, whatever that is, that word for that action that I just did. Just take a light edge off it, make it look a bit more pretty with your eyes. I'd use it on myself, shouldn't I? It's not improving me because I'm already perfect. Anyway, let's just get on with this. Right, so as you can see there with your eyes, I've got everything set up. I've just ordered some longer rivets because the ones that I've got aren't long enough to secure that together. So I'm just going to leave that now and then start on the handle. I've got this guy, which is not thick enough or flat enough. So I need to flatten it, cut it down the middle, and then I'll put some micarta in it, which I think will make it stronger as well. So now I need to start on the handle. Ironically, I've got this railway sleeper, or part of a railway sleeper, which will go obviously perfectly with a railway axe. It's going to be all railway, innit? So now I need to cut this down, slide it out and split it, probably. So because this wood isn't flat, and I need to flatten one side, I've glued it to something flat, so that then the top side will be flat, then I can take it off the flat thing that I've glued it to, and flatten the other side. And I'm going to stop saying flat. I said flat quite a lot. Ooh, look at that. Look at the colours in that. I'm pretty glad that the other one went wrong, even though I wanted it to go wrong. This is going to be the core. It's a natural canvas micarta, which should be nice and strong, especially when it's glued to wood. I'll spare the gory details. Gluing montage. I don't think the rivets are going to hold strong enough, so I'm going to have to put some welds, but I want them out of sight because they're just going to be unsightly, aren't they? I want it to look like it's riveted, but obviously it needs the strength of a weld on there. So I need to weld the back in the corners. So what I need to do now is line these up, and I'm going to have to put a blob of super glue on there, wait for it to dry, then clamp it, and then I can go and weld it. While that cools down, roughing all these pins up, and then it's probably going to be time for a glue montage, obviously. Obviously, if you're deaf though, you won't be able to hear it, so you can see that with your eyes. Now it's time to get around to riveting this guy. Look what's just arrived. So now I just need to drill these to about 8mm depth. As usual, I'm going to use a polymerizing oil. That's why I want to get my first coat on now. Let it soak in, then I'll sand it again and do it again, probably 3 or 4 times. It should toughen the wood as well, make it a bit more woody tough. As you can see, it's polymerized in the bloody jar. It's not supposed to do that. Your mum says hi. The shaft is drying, as usual, after you get out of the shower. So we need to go and give it a quick whip over with Scotch-Brite just to get rid of some of these dark patches. And then, that is pretty much ready to go. That's the first coat that's dried. I'm buffing it with wire wool, then I'll oil it again, and then I'll go on to 00 wire wool. And you know the score, so... Watch my pain. We all know what this means, don't we? It's your bleeding gluing montage. Fuck Jim Smith.